Another educational rocket produced by the company Tushi to serve the educational market. Tested and constantly evolving project to enable students to learn as much as possible. For the construction of this kit, low-cost and high-quality materials were used. HDPE tubes, cone designed by the company aiming at better performance and beauty. Fins designed using the soft open rocket, engines with average thrust of 15 newtons and peak thrust of 40 newtons. 3, 2, 1, fire. 6-second pyrotechnic delay and electric activation via skib. A complete tool for the teacher to pass on to his students the necessary knowledge so that they can enter the world of research and feel like real aerospace scientists.